Go ahead. There we go.
Poker walks on 4 legs.
Where's?
Get down on 4 legs.
Picture of you walking like Poker. You like Poker?
Okay.
There he goes.
Oh, Poker fell.
Poker don't walk on his head. He walks on his legs.
Now walk like Daddy.
Walk like Daddy.
Watch your head. Sticking his chest out.
You're goofy.
He's sticking his belly out like me and my dad.
You're goofy.
How does Mommy walk?
High heels? Is that what he's trying to do?
I walk on my toes.
How's Austin walk?
How's Austin walk?
Austin don't know how to walk.
Yeah, you're goofy. You're goofy.
So you
You
got
get
more?
so much energy, Austin. Where are you going?
Go watch a movie?
Hey,
You go for a ride in the
football.
car?